This one is more on natural look and this one is like bonggang lashes talaga yung atake niya. Hey guys, so today let's do my lashes using this cluster lashes from Mind Bloom, and this one is glue free. It comes with this tweezer. Right side we will use this one. Wow, ito siya. Wow, ang dali lang nun ah. Like look at that. Oh my god, sobrang dikit niya guys. Okay, this one. Wow. This with and this is without. Love this one guys. Tignan nyo naman, madali siyang ikabit and then super lightweight niya and super sticky. Eh, dito na side is iba yung design na gagamitin natin. This one, I think marami na kayo nakikitang ganitong design from other brands. We'll put it here. Look guys, sobrang ganda talaga. This one is more on natural look and this one is like bonggang lashes talaga yung atake niya. And guys, baka maubusan na naman kayo. So check the yellow basket and get yours now.